We have a lot of sunshine overhead. 77 degrees. We are warming up. We're a little bit warmer than this time yesterday. 82 Chicago, 82 for those in Muskegon, 79 down in Fort Wayne. It's warm from Iowa, Cedar Rapids into Springfield, so central and western parts of the state of Illinois. Now, you do notice there's a massive discrepancy when it comes to our humidity levels and our dew point readings. We have more mid-70s, if not upper 70s, from Minneapolis extending down into Illinois. For us, we're still in the lower 60s, so it is starting to become humid, but it is a bit more manageable. But factoring in that humidity level, it feels like it's 100 degrees in Springfield, 95 in Cedar Rapids. So those dew points do have a massive impact on how it feels outside. Feels like it's in the upper 70s here, so not as big of a temperature discrepancy there, but we will start to see more of that as we head through the day tomorrow. That's where we find our heat advisories. So Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, southern Wisconsin, all of Indiana, Ohio, and now southern Michigan included in that heat advisory. Ours doesn't go into effect tomorrow, though, until 8 o'clock p.m. So it's only a day-long event for us just in terms of the heat, at least for right now. We have those showers moving over Lake Michigan at the moment. So our daytime highs today will be in the mid-80s, more sunshine, starting to become a bit more humid. We'll hit that between 3 to 7 o'clock later on today. Our lows tonight bottoming out lower 70s, so we feel a difference there too, just in terms of our lows. This is what it's going to feel like tomorrow afternoon here across the state of Michigan. Upper 90s to lower 100s. The city of Detroit itself could top out at 101, 102, so that feeling we had around the end of June is making its way back towards the end of July. Now, we do see a slight little dip in temperatures. We'll still be in the mid to upper 80s this upcoming weekend, and then 80s close to 90 degrees early next week. With this heat comes the storm chances. We do have that risk heading through the day tomorrow. I think mainly during the late evening hours when we see that severe risk. This is by 5:30, 6 o'clock, so that those clusters of storms will be around. Same goes until about 9 o'clock. Overnight into early Friday morning, additional showers and storms. Then we'll see those spotty shower and thunder showers take us through Friday, and then more widespread rain. And right now we do have a lot of 80s in there, maybe 190 out near Howell at 90 right now, 85 in Detroit, 88 for those in Monroe. But when you factor in our high dew point readings, where everybody is in the mid-70s, so that feels very oppressive, very almost tropical for locations across southeast Michigan. We're getting low 90s, if not triple digits for some spots. Feels like it's 100 degrees up in Lapeer, 100 in Howell, 92 in Pontiac. Feels like it's only 92 degrees here in Detroit. So we are heating up. It's not even noon yet, and we still have several more hours to go with this heat building and the humidity building. I do think a lot of locations could be in the triple digits today. That happens just afternoon, so by around 1 to 2 o'clock, that's when we start to feel like we're around 100 to 101. We'll probably stick in the lower 100s through a good bulk of the afternoon, and then after dinner time is when we start to see a little relief there. But that's why we have heat advisories across much of the Great Lakes in the Ohio Valley. A lot of these bright oranges indicating that heat advisory. Cold front just west of us, that's going to usher in some very brief relief from this heat. Heat advisory goes until 8 o'clock later on tonight, and then we'll see this line of showers move in alongside a cold front, which will bring in some relief there. Looks like we already have a severe thunderstorm warning just north of us into northern Michigan. Now, we do have that potential for seeing stronger to severe thunderstorms. I do think it's going to be very much isolated where we do see that stronger stuff set up. This is by 9:30. We'll see those showers and storms between the window of 7 and midnight tonight. Additional storms overnight. Not necessarily seeing anything severe with this. I do think heavy rain is going to be a concern, so there might be some minor flooding in low-lying areas. And we'll continue to track out maybe a few scattered showers to start the day on Friday. High temps today, lower 90s, low 70s. Tonight for an overnight low, scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. That does provide us with a bit of relief. Lower to middle 80s possible tomorrow, and then we're back to the upper 80s by Saturday with increasing humidity. With that, too, we do see a few storm chances as well as we head into this week.